If you're concerned about being too controlling, it likely stems from a desire for perfection in people and situations. This can lead to frustration when things don't go as planned, whether it's in relationships or daily events. Recognizing that you can't control everything is key to finding satisfaction. Letting go of perfectionism and understanding that it's okay for things to be less than perfect can free you from unnecessary stress. Additionally, working on self-esteem and managing anxiety can help reduce controlling behaviors. It's also important to accept that being right all the time isn't necessary, as vulnerability can strengthen relationships. Practicing acceptance of situations as they are, rather than micromanaging, can lead to greater peace. Ultimately, learning to delegate and trust others not only alleviates pressure on yourself, but can also be rewarding. Start small by allowing others to make decisions and build your confidence in their abilities.